today let's start with chapter number 9, the polar region. So in this chapter I will tell you about the polar region which lies in the 90-degree north and 90-degree south. वो आपके polar region होते हैं. So we can say that the region lying beyond 66.5 latitude आपके northern hemisphere और southern hemisphere पे, जो आपके 66.5 से above होता है वो आपका polar region होता है. Right? What we call them polar region, and there we find cold desert. And it comprises of northern Europe, Siberia, Greenland, जो आपके northern part में lie करते हैं. If we talk about southern part, we have South America, and polar region is further divided into two climatic regions. Tundra, which supports the vegetation in summer along the ice caps. ये क्या होता है? Permanently ice covered होता है. Throughout the year आप देखेंगे कि ice से covered होता है, snow covered होता है. And all tundra region they are located in northern hemisphere. Here we have some small tundra like areas, जैसे Antarctica हो गया आपका southern hemisphere में. Here they are permanently frozen subsoil. यहाँ पे ये क्या होते हैं? Permanently snow covered होते हैं, and here you see the frozen subsoil. If we talk about climate, so in climate, winter and summer here are the main seasons of tundra region, and we can say that जो spring और autumn है ये short seasons होते हैं between winter and summer. So during some of the months in winter, the temperature drops down further. Winter carries on for about 9 months with the sun and not seen at all at nights. So the moon and other heavenly bodies can seen throughout the season, and very cold winds blow violently in winter and bring continuous heavy snowfall, and these snowstorms are called blizzards. And what they form a thick layer of ice, and during summer the sun shine almost 24 hours a day and it hardly sets during the season. That is why जो आपका आर्टिक रीजन होता है उसको हम लैंड ऑफ मिडनाइट सन कहते हैं. समर यहाँ पे यूजुअली वार्म होती है, टेम्परेचर जो होता है वो 12 डिग्री सेल्सियस तक चला जाता है. इफ वी टॉक अबाउट वेजिटेशन, सो ड्यू टू द एक्सट्रीम कोल्ड क्लाइमेट, पुअर सॉइल क्वालिटी, यहाँ पे जो लैंड होता है वो फ्रोजन रहता है. सो वेजिटेशन तो अच्छी हो ही नहीं पाती है आर्टिक टुंड्रा रीजन में, एंड द फ्रोजन ग्राउंड प्रिवेंट्स प्लांट्स विद डीप रूट्स जैसे ट्रीज they form growing, and there are like barely about 1700 different species of plant that grow here. यहाँ पे आपको shrubs, sedges, mosses, lichens और grasses देखने को मिलते हैं. Short summers होती है, top layer of the soil है वो melt करती है और वो allow करती है plant को to grow and reproduce. Small flowering plants जैसे आपके poppies हो गए, lilies हो गए, buttercups हो गए, violent spring up, survive for a short while, and they get buried under the sheet of ice in winter. Antarctica is mostly too cold and dry to support the vegetation, और जो मोस्ट ऑफ द कॉन्टिनेंट है वो आइस से कवर्ड होता है. जो फील्ड होती है वो मोस्टली आइस से कवर्ड होती है. इफ वी टॉक अबाउट एनिमल लाइफ, सो द एनिमल्स दैट इनहेबिट इन आर्टिक टुंड्रा रीजन, they have special adaptation to withstand long cold winter, and they breed and raise young ones. So large animal like muskox and caribou, they heavily protected against the cold by the insulation of fat. They migrate to the warmer areas in winter. Smaller animal like Arctic squirrel, they survive by growing and hibernating during winter. So other tundra animals include snowy owls, reindeers, polar bears, white foxes, and Arctic hags, black flies. Aquatic animals comprise of huge whales, seals, and walrus. Cold, cold herring, salmon fish, they all are bound to Arctic weir. These animals have bubbles to protect from icy cold condition, and like we have seagulls which migrates between the two poles all around, and wild swans and bees are found here. Penguin inhabit the Antarctic region. So reindeer, they are the important animal for the people of tundra region. Like milk, meat, skin and bones are used by the people, and जो reindeer है they are adapted to climatic condition. Human settlement, we will see that in the polar region in northern hemisphere. Mighty warriors from Norway, Vikings created the first settlement in Great Greenland. Some important inhabitants of tundra land are listed here. Like we have Inuits of North America, Greenland, Lapps, Finns of Finland, Yakuts of Siberia. If we talk about Greenland, this is a Greenland, right? It is named to attract people from other country to settle here. It is the part of Denmark that lies between the Arctic Ocean and Atlantic Ocean. It is the largest island in the world, which lies mostly within the Arctic Circle, which is bordered by the Greenland southeast, Greenland Sea to its east, and Arctic Ocean to its north, and Baffin Bay to its west. Greenland looks like white since 80% of its is permanently covered. ये permanently ice covered होता है, snow covered होता है. Sometimes huge pieces of ice break and slide down into the sea iceberg. They are very dangerous. ये बहुत ज़्यादा dangerous होते हैं ships के लिए, right? In Inuits, they are the natives of Greenland. They belong to Mongoloid race. ये strong people होते हैं जिनकी skin होती है वो yellow होती है, flat face होता है, narrow black eyes होती हैं, right? And they are also short and stout. Inuits, they have gradually spread across the Arctic region of the continent. They are now found and living in Russia, US से some Alaska कहते हैं, Canada and Greenland. While Alaska, they have also Inupiata and Siberia, they are called Yupik and Luta. Lifestyle of Greenland, food की अगर हम बात करें, they are rich content in order to combat cold Arctic climatic condition. There are great variety of food which is important like seals, salmon, squid and whales. They are eaten, and during winter what they do, they hunt polar bear, foxes and hares. They hunt these people. Right? Clothing if we talk about, so very low temperature throughout the year forces people to wear clothes which are made up of seal skin. They keep their head covered with fur cap. They are hooded jackets called parkas and double trouser or legging socks and high boots are seen. So dwelling if we talk about, जो Inuits होते हैं, they lead a nomadic life in search of food. They normally do not have permanent settlement, but they have separate summer and winter homes. So we can say that their houses are made up of sod, which is the top layer of the soil mixed with roots of grass. Blocks of sod are built one on the top of the other, which is built the walls of the house. In some places they live in houses which is made up of block of house. और ये जो houses होते हैं इनको हम iglus कहते हैं. ये थोड़े सेमी सर्कुलर इन शेप होते हैं, डॉम शेप इनकी रूफ होती है, राइट. इफ वी टॉक अबाउट ऑक्यूपेशन, सो हंटिंग, फिशिंग, ट्रैपिंग एनिमल्स एंड हर्डिंग ये मेजर ऑक्यूपेशन है. फार्मिंग इज इम्पॉसिबल इन दिस सीजन बिकॉज ऑफ ड्राई एंड आइसी ग्राउंड्स. अर्लियर पीपल यूज टू हंट लार्ज सील्स एंड वेलरस. उनको हार्पून्स की मदद से करते थे. दे शार्प द स्पीयर्स ऑफ एनिमल्स एंड दीज हार्पून्स वर थ्रोन अक्रॉस द सी टू कैच एनिमल्स. और जो रोप्स होती है इनका हम यूज करते थे पुल करने के लिए हंटेड एनिमल्स और ब्रिंग बैक द हार्पून्स. पीपल ऑल्सो यूज बोज एंड ऑरोज फॉर हंटिंग. नाउ पीपल यूज ऑटोमेटिक राइफल्स. अब वो ऑटोमेटिक राइफल्स का यूज करते हैं इंस्टेड ऑफ हार्पून्स, बोज एंड एरोज. Their clothing, tents, and the boats are made up of animal skin. They use animals' bones for making harpoons, animals' fat for lighting lamps, and meat as food. Right? These are the different things that they do. If we talk about transport, laying of roads and railways is impossible in the city. People travel across the cold desert land on sledges. These are the carts without wheel, which is drawn by the reindeers or dogs. जिसको हम husky कहते हैं. And they also use the boat called umek, which is large open sea boat with the animal skin and to hunt whales. Modern life of Greenland. So let's study. जो Inuits होते थे Northern Greenland के, they still follow traditional lifestyle. Who shifted to towns or small villages was changed. They wear modern clothing. They live in modern houses. They eat variety of tin food. Instead of kayaks and sledges, they use motorboats, helicopter, and snowmobile. So the people of Greenland have improved education, housing and healthcare facility. They also provided training for job in manufacturing and service industries. Food processing and log industries एक बहुत important है ये employment के लिए. The capital city of Greenland is Gotap, Nuuk and Godman क्या है एक major city है यहाँ की. Right? Greenland has 18 airfields, 14 are paved away. The official language of Greenland are Greenlandic and Danish. English is also spoken widely here. Greenland are peace-loving people and they keep off fights. They live in very harsh life but are still very cheerful and loving. इसको हम लैंड ऑफ टुमारो भी कहते हैं बिकॉज इट इज रिच इन नेचुरल रिसोर्सेज, राइट. दे प्रोवाइड goods required for other countries in futures, right. This is all about in this chapter. Hope you understood. Now we will meet in the next class. That's all for today. Thank you.